Hello everyone and welcome. So today I will be helping you with the FOIL method and how it is used to expand the product of two expressions. So the FOIL method is used to expand expressions like x minus 3 and x plus times x plus 3, and you would use the FOIL method to solve what this was, and you would simplify it by expanding it. So today I'll be helping with how to complete this. But first let's try solving this. So x minus 3 times x plus 3. So then this is, we would first have to multiply x with x. So that would be x squared. And then we would have to multiply x and 3, which is plus 3x. So then afterwards we have to do minus 3 times x, which is minus 3x. And then we would have to solve minus 3 times plus 3, which is minus 9. And then we would simplify this expression. So we know that plus 3x minus 3x would just equal 0. So this we will have to cancel out, and then we would have x squared minus 9 as a result, which is what we are left with. So let's try another one of these problems, and then we can see it in more detail. So let's try x minus 1, x minus 8. Alright, so we would have to follow the same procedure for solving this one. So we'll first have to multiply x and x, which would just result in x squared. And then we will have to solve x times negative 8, which is negative 8x. Then we will have to solve negative 1 times x, which is negative x. Last of all, we would have to solve negative 1 times negative 8, which would be plus 8. Alright, so now that we have this down, we can simplify this expression and then see what we get as a final result. So x squared minus 8x minus x plus 8. So we can see that we can simplify this middle part, so negative 8x minus x. So that would be negative 9x, and then we can add these. Well, we can put these back. So this is x squared. This here is plus 8. So this was what we would have as a result of this. Alright, so let's try one last one of these problems. So this is x plus 9 times x plus 0. Alright, so this one is slightly different from the previous two that we tried because of this last part. So this one asks for x plus 0, and that one would follow the same steps as the previous two, but it would be slightly different. So let's try this one. So x times x, this one would be x squared plus 9 times x, so this is plus 9x. Then we will have to solve plus 9. Oh wait, so before we do plus 9x, we can also see that there is a x plus 0. So x times 0, so that would just equal 0, so we didn't really have to do that part anyway. And then comes the plus 9x part, and then after that we will have to do plus 9 times 0, which just equals 0, so we don't have to do that either. So this would just be our final result. Alright, so what would be the basic formula for this? Well, in order to find the basic formula, we would have to do x plus or minus n, x plus or minus n. I'll put m as this one. So then this will be here. How about yeah, this is plus or minus x as well. So I'll just do plus or minus x times plus or minus x And then plus or minus, well, it sort of depends on this, but x times n, and then we have to do that again, plus or minus x times n. Well, here, actually, no, this part is not, so it's like this, and then it'll be plus or minus n times x, plus or minus n times m. So that would be what we would have there. So, so then let's try some problems regarding this. So, we have for the first question, solve x plus 3 times x minus 3. So that one we would have to solve it by here, let me adjust this. So we have to solve it by the full method, and this one is x plus, or so x plus 3, x minus 3. So then this will just be x times x, that's x squared, plus x times negative 3, which is 3x, plus 3x again. So that one would be minus 9, and then we can simplify that by taking out the plus 3x and the minus 3x. So then that would result as our final result being x squared minus 9. And that would be our final answer. So let's try the second one, which asks to solve x minus 2 times x minus 4. So x minus 2 times x minus 4. So this one would just be x times x, x squared, minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. And this here, the middle part would be negative 6x. So then this will be x squared minus 6x plus 8. And that would be our final answer. I forgot to put this here, so x squared minus 9. And then this one is x squared minus 6x plus 8. So let's go ahead and do the third one. So this one asks to FOIL out x plus 4 times x minus 1. Alright, so this one, x plus 4, x minus 1, x squared plus 4x minus 4. This one is x squared, and then we would have to simplify this one, which is plus 3x minus 4. So that one would be our final answer. So x squared plus 3x minus 4. So now we have to do the fourth one, which asks to FOIL out x minus 3 times x minus 5. Alright, so this one we have to do x squared minus 3x minus 5x plus 15. So this one here would be negative 8x. So then we will have to bring down these, x squared plus 15. This one is x squared minus 8x plus 15. Alright, so let's do the fifth one. So this one asks to FOIL out x plus 1 times x plus 6. This one is x squared plus 6x plus x plus 6. So then we would have to put that as our answer. So that one is x squared plus this we would simplify 7x plus 6. Alright, so let's do the sixth one. So this one is FOIL out x minus 8 times x plus 0. So this one is alright, and then we would have this as x squared minus 8x plus 0 times x, which is just 0, and then we also have negative 8x. Negative 8 times 0 as well, and that also equals 0, so then we can just have this as our final answer. X squared minus 8x. Alright, so let's try the very last problem, which asks to solve x plus 4 times x plus 9. So let's do this one first. This is x squared plus 4x plus 9x plus 4 times 9 equals 36. This here equals 4 plus 9, that is 13x. X squared plus 13x plus 36. So x squared plus 13x plus 36 would be our final answer. And that would also end our lesson for today. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And if you have any comments, be sure to put those down into the comment section. Thank you.